In this tutorial, we'll be installing the TankLogix Ignition Client on a Windows device. First, go to blog.tanklogix.com. Then click Ignition at the top of the page. Then click Windows Client Instructions. Under Download, click the link to download the setup. When the setup has finished downloading, click it to open. You can now close your browser. The first step is asking us where we would like to install the client launcher. We recommend the default settings, so click Next. This next step will create a desktop shortcut. We also recommend this. Click Next again. Finally, click Install. When the installation is done, click Finish. The native client launcher should start opening. When the native client launcher is open, check the gateway URL section. If it doesn't say client.tanklogix.com, we'll need to change it, so click Change. If your gateway URL was not set or said NA, you are probably already on this screen. Make sure to select Manually Input Gateway and set the gateway URL to client.tanklogix.com. Make sure Add to Favorites is checked and click Continue. You should now see one option under Launch Projects called Client. Make sure Use Bundled JRE and Create Desktop Icon are checked, and then click Launch. You should see a new desktop icon called Client, and the project will start opening. It might take a few minutes to download the project for the first time. When it's done downloading, you should see the login screen for TankLogix Ignition. Going forward, you should just be able to double-click on that desktop icon for Client, and the project will open up.